Hello students, today we are going to discuss a very important question from the metric examination point of view, and the question is from chapter triangles, exercise 6.5, question number 14. And the question is, the perpendicular from A on side BC of a triangle ABC intersects BC at D such that DB equals to thrice CD. Prove that twice AB square is equals to twice AC square plus BC square. So if you observe, it said that the perpendicular from A on side BC of triangle ABC intersects BC at point D such that my DB will be equals to thrice of CD. You have to observe this very carefully. Here it meant that 1 dB is 3 times of CD. That also means 3 CD के बराबर 1 dB है, मतलब 3 CD मिलके 1 dB इक्वल्स होता है. Then we have to prove this statement, this equation. Before solving this question student, मैं आप लोगों के साथ 2 पॉइंट्स डिस्कस करूँगा. पहला पॉइंट ये है कि समटाइम्स जब एग्ज़ाम में ये क्वेश्चन आता है तो इसका फिगर साथ में नहीं दिया जाता है स्टूडेंट्स. आपको ये क्वेश्चन को पढ़ना पड़ता है एंड उस क्वेश्चन के हिसाब से आपको फिगर बनाना पड़ता है. एंड अक्सर ये देखा जाता है स्टूडेंट्स कि जब ये फिगर बनाया जाता है तो स्टूडेंट्स एक सिली मिस्टेक कर देते हैं. एंड द मिस्टेक इज़ लाइक, वो क्या करते हैं कि फिगर तो बनाते ही ऐसे ही, एंड आप देखिए यहाँ पे उन्होंने ए बी सी बनाया है ट्राइंगल और एक परपेंडिकुलर एडी बनाया है ऑन बी सी. लेकिन स्टूडेंट अगर आप देखेंगे तो ये कंडीशन जो दिया है हम लोगों को डी बी इक्वल्स टू थ्राइस सी डी, ये कंडीशन के हिसाब से स्टूडेंट ये मेरा सही नहीं है. दिस इज नॉट करेक्ट. हाउ? बिकॉज here the condition is dB equals to 3 times of CD. That means 1 dB would be equals to 3 CD. That means dB is much greater than CD. But if you observe here students, my dB is smaller than CD. So that is incorrect. So the proper diagram of this condition is this. That is A, B, C. यहाँ पे अगर आप देखेंगे तो मेरा dB CD से बड़ा, obviously बड़ा है, and 3 CD, like 1 CD, 2 CD and 3 CD is going to make 1 dB. This was one of the point. And the next point is student, this is very clear to you, I guess you know already. When we have a right angle triangle, then we can apply a very important theorem which is known as Pythagoras theorem. So suppose PQR is a right angle triangle, and we know that the side opposite to the right angle is known as hypotenuse, or you can say in a right angle triangle the longest side is the hypotenuse, which you have already a theorem in your textbook. The height, this side is known as the height or a perpendicular. So let us mark hypotenuse by small letter h. Let us mark this height or perpendicular by small letter p, and let us mark this base say by small letter b. Then according to Pythagoras theorem students, we have an equation that is hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus perpendicular square. So according to this condition, if I apply on this triangle, then we observe my hypotenuse is PR. That means PR square is equals to base square plus the perpendicular is PQ square. So this is a very important equation, or you can say very important concept, Pythagoras theorem, and which you have already learned in your earlier classes. For this question, this particular concept is utilized, and by this concept only we're going to solve this question very easily. So how you see it? Given to us solution, given ABC is a triangle and from A perpendicular intersects the side BC at point D such that DB equals to 3CD. Now this was the given section and we have written exactly the same. Here we are going to extend this equation simply by adding both sides CD CD. So if you observe, DB plus CD, DB plus CD gives us the complete line segment BC, and 3CD plus CD is equals to 4 times of CD, which also implies, students, CD will be equals to 1 by 4 times of BC. CD is equals to 1 by 4 times of BC. Alright, why we have done this we will get it to know in the later section. बस फिलहाल यह एक्सटेंड करके यहाँ तक लाना है, ये बस याद रखना है. Next you see, now we are going to apply the Pythagoras theorem. If you observe here, we have a perpendicular AD on BC, so this is 90 degree, also this is 90 degree. That means in this triangle we have two more triangles, and that is also right angle triangle. One of the triangle is ADB and the other is ADC. Now we're going to take those two triangles and apply the Pythagoras theorem and find out the equations. Now in right angled triangle ADC, so if this is right angle, then side opposite to the right angle is known as the hypotenuse, so their AC would be the hypotenuse. So AC square hypotenuse square, AC square hypotenuse square is equals to the base square plus perpendicular square. So base is here CD square, and the perpendicular is AD square. Next is in triangle ADB. So let's start again. In right angle triangle ADB, here also if you observe, students, side opposite to the right angle is known as the hypotenuse. So AB square hypotenuse square would be equals to the base square plus perpendicular square. So AB square would be equals to BD square plus AD square. Alright, you can see it. AB square is equals to BD square plus AD square. Let's mark this 1, 2. Students, this was the Pythagoras theorem we have applied. So that's how the Pythagoras theorem is very important. Whenever we see a right angle triangle, we according to our requirements, we have to apply the Pythagoras theorems. So here it is required, so we have applied that. Now you see, subtracting equation 1 from equation 2, we get. Now students, here I have subtracted the equation. Now you might be thinking that मैंने subtract क्यों किया है यहाँ पे, तो इसका भी एक रीज़न है स्टूडेंट, मैं आपको फॉलो थ्रू में दिखाता हूँ. पहले हम सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लेते हैं. तो इक्वेशन 1 को हम इक्वेशन 2 से सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, तो ये है हमारा इक्वेशन 2, इससे हम इक्वेशन 1 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. तो पहले ये आएगा, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में है ए बी स्क्वायर, वहाँ पे है आपका लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में ए सी स्क्वायर, उसी तरह से यहाँ पे राइट हैंड साइड में है बी डी स्क्वायर प्लस ए डी स्क्वायर से सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे हम सी डी स्क्वायर प्लस ए डी स्क्वायर. अब स्टूडेंट्स क्यों मैंने सब्ट्रैक्ट किया है, स्टूडेंट्स आप यहाँ पे नोटिस कर सकते हैं, हमारे प्रूफ में ये कहा गया है कि ट्वाइस ऑफ ए बी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू ट्वाइस ए सी स्क्वायर। तो अगर आप देखेंगे तो यहाँ पे ए सी स्क्वायर इज पॉजिटिव एंड दैट इज ऑल्सो इन द राइट हैंड साइड। सो स्टूडेंट्स अगर हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तभी हम अपने ए सी स्क्वायर को राइट हैंड साइड में जब ले जाएंगे तो ये पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा। दैट्स वाई आई हैव सब्ट्रैक्टेड दिस टू इक्वेशन। नाउ यू सी, लेट्स open the bracket, bd square minus plus minus cd square minus plus minus ad square plus ad square minus ad square cancels, bd square minus cd square. If you observe students, this is a square minus b square, so a square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b, so you can apply here bd a plus b and a minus b. So if you observe bd plus cd, तो फिगर से अगर हम लोग इसको कंपेयर करेंगे तो बी डी प्लस सी डी इज बी सी। सो हम यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं ये बी सी है इनटू, और यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स हमारा बी डी दैट इज डी डी बी बोथ द सेम was given to us, db equals to 3cd, it was given to us db equals to 3cd. So let's substitute here, bd equals to 3cd minus cd, which also equals bc into 3cd minus cd is 2cd equals, if you observe students, my cd was equals to 1 by 4 of bc. So that was the reason why students we have extended this to find out the value of cd, just to put the value of cd here. So you see cd की जगह पे हम लोग क्या लिखेंगे 1 by 4 of bc, 2 times bc into bc is bc square by 2. So we have got students here that ab square minus ac square is equals to bc square by 2. मैं इसका अगला पार्ट यहीं पे कर लेता हूँ स्टूडेंट्स, ताकि आप लोगों को एक ही पेज पे दिखा पाऊँ। तो यहाँ पे मैं सेम इक्वेशंस को फिर से लिखता हूँ, इम्प्लाइज ए बी स्क्वेयर माइनस एस सी स्क्वेयर इक्वल्स टू बी सी स्क्वेयर डिवाइडेड बाई 2, implies it 2 when it comes on the other side it becomes gets multiplied equals to bc square. So 2 into ab square is ab square minus 2 into ac square is ac square equals to bc square, implies 2 ab square minus twice ac square goes other side becomes plus twice ac square plus bc square, hence proved. आई होप स्टूडेंट्स आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी तरीके से समझ में आया होगा। इफ स्टूडेंट्स एनी प्रॉब्लम then you can write down the problems in the comment section, and if you like the video then you subscribe my channel, like it and share it as much as possible. Thank you students.